Welcome back to Luxury Auto Insights, the ultimate destination for those who admire elegance, innovation, and luxury on wheels. Today, we dive into the world of opulence as we explore the finest and most extravagant Rolls-Royce models that redefine automotive luxury. Rolls-Royce has long been the symbol of status and sophistication, handcrafting vehicles that are not just cars but rolling pieces of art. From bespoke design to quiet power, each model reflects the brand's unwavering commitment to perfection. Let's begin with the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the pinnacle of the brand. Known for its commanding presence, the Phantom blends timeless design with cutting-edge technology. The rear cabin is more like a first-class lounge, featuring starlight headliners, rich wood veneers, and the softest leather imaginable. Next is the Rolls-Royce Ghost, a more contemporary expression of luxury. It may be smaller than the Phantom, but it's no less grand. Its clean lines, minimalist design, and whisper-quiet V12 engine make it a favorite among modern moguls and celebrities alike. The Rolls-Royce Wraith takes luxury into the realm of power and performance. With its fastback silhouette and twin-turbo V12 engine, the Wraith offers a dynamic drive while maintaining Rolls-Royce's unmatched elegance. It's a car for those who like their luxury with a touch of adrenaline. Then comes the Rolls-Royce Dawn, a convertible masterpiece that brings open-air motoring to an entirely new level. With its fully automated soft top, the Dawn delivers a tranquil, breezy ride that lets you soak in the surroundings while cocooned in pure comfort. Making waves in recent years is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the brand's first-ever SUV. Designed for those who seek luxury even in rugged terrain, the Cullinan merges off-road capabilities with unmatched interior craftsmanship. It's powerful, plush, and undeniably Rolls-Royce. Every detail in a Rolls-Royce is customized. Clients can select from thousands of paint colors, personalized monograms, unique wood inlays, and even commission one-off pieces through Rolls-Royce's Bespoke program. No two Rolls-Royce vehicles are the same, each one is as unique as its owner. Rolls-Royce also recently introduced the Spectre, their first fully electric ultra-luxury coupe. A masterpiece in silence and sustainability, it's a glimpse into the brand's electric future while keeping its soul firmly rooted in grandeur and craftsmanship. From the spirit of ecstasy adorning the hood to the nearly silent cabin experience, every Rolls-Royce model is engineered to deliver serenity and superiority. The suspension, known as the magic carpet ride, floats over roads like a dream. Inside, Rolls-Royce cabins are sanctuaries of peace. Hand-stitched leather seats, lambswool floor mats, and precision-crafted dashboards remind you that you're surrounded by the finest materials on Earth. Even the doors open with theatrical elegance. Suicide doors on most models glide open with the push of a button, and umbrellas are tucked away in secret compartments for ultimate convenience. Rolls-Royce continues to evolve, creating limited edition models and one-of-a-kind masterpieces. The boat tail, for example, is a coach-built marvel inspired by yachts, complete with a rear hosting suite and bespoke champagne fridge. It's one of the most expensive new cars ever made. For collectors and connoisseurs, a Rolls-Royce is more than a car. It's an heirloom. Passed down through generations, each vehicle carries legacy, pride, and personality. Driving a Rolls-Royce is about more than transportation, it's about making an entrance. Whether you're arriving at a red carpet event or cruising the countryside, the aura of the car turns heads and starts conversations. In every corner of the world, Rolls-Royce stands for aspiration, success, and unmatched refinement. It's not just about luxury, it's about living life on a level reserved for the elite few. If you're passionate about the finest things in life, Rolls-Royce is more than a brand, it's an experience. One that reflects your taste, your story, and your vision of excellence. Thanks for watching Luxury Auto Insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and stories about the world's most luxurious automobiles. Comment below and let us know which Rolls-Royce model is your dream ride. Until next time, keep chasing elegance, keep living in luxury. This is Luxury Auto Insights, where dreams are driven.